what's a great first-time vehicle for your kid? Okay, we're at Cars R Us here in McChesney Park, and I've got experience with this because we just had my 15-year-old's first vehicle actually have an accident and was totaled. So I got real good expertise on this. I think that can help you save money and make a good purchase. So first thing that we recommend here is look for a vehicle that's safe, economical, like a Honda Civic. That's what his car was. That's a great first car. Something that there's a lot of parts availability, cost to repair is not that high, and insurance cost is going to be as low as you're going to get with a 16-year-old, right? The other side of that is find one and have it inspected at the local repair shop. If you're by us, bring it in. We do a pre-purchase inspection. That's invaluable because you don't know what you're getting into. And if you buy it for $3,000, but it needs $4,000 worth of work to be safe, you should have bought a $7,000 car because you're not going to make it worth $4,000 more by sticking those repairs into it. Okay, and then the insurance. So I learned this: when you get full coverage or liability, we put liability on it, and the insurance company does not help with that process at all, which I didn't understand, and I didn't know that. So when you're getting that liability only, if somebody hits you, you're responsible to try to go after them, get their insurance information. If they don't have insurance, you're in small claims court. So it is a bit of a headache, but we know with a 16-year-old that's a new driver, the cost of full coverage on a small, a $5,000 vehicle, you may be spending $2,000 or $3,000 a year. Is it worth that? So you got to weigh those ins and outs of what the insurance is going to run versus the benefit or risk there. But the higher end vehicle, you start buying a $20,000, $30,000 car and that gets totaled, you're going to have full coverage, so your insurance is going to be high. And kids at 16, they're probably going to get in a little fender bender. It's typical because they're learning how to drive. This one was not my son's fault. So, he was red light. Somebody ran that red light and hit him. So luckily that did get covered by insurance, but there are some risks there that you want to weigh in. So any questions, or if you're looking at a new vehicle for your soon to be 16-year-old, bring it by here, have us inspect it before you purchase it.
877 742 777